exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 class 6. Question number 1, find using suitable arrangement. So we have to arrange the numbers in such a way that their addition should be easy. Like you can see there, 837 plus 208 plus 363. So we will take two numbers first. Here it is 7 or here it is 8, here it is 3. If we add 7 and 3 at the ones place, then there will be 10. So we will take these numbers 832, 837 plus 363 plus 208, means these two numbers we will add first, because here we will get the power of 10. So 7 plus 3, it will be 10. Then answer is 1200 here. Then plus 208, then we will get 1408. Then it's B part. There are four numbers. We have to arrange these numbers like that the addition will become a power of 10, like 10, 20, 100. So 1962 is here. It is 8. 2 and 8 will be 10, or 3 and 7 will be 10. So we will arrange them like 1962 plus 1538 plus these two numbers we have taken together. Now 453 plus 647. Now add these two numbers, we will get 3500, or here we get 1100. When we add both, we will get 4600. Now question 2, find using suitable rearrangement. Above question is of addition, now it is of multiply. So we will take two numbers which will make power of 10, like 2 8 is 16, it is not 0, but when we multiply 2 to 50, we will get 100. So we will write it like that: 2 multiply 50, then multiply 1768. 2 multiply 50, it is 100, then 1768, and our answer is 1768 and 00. Now next, it is 4, 166, 25. We know 4 5s are 20, we can get 0 here. So multiply 4 to 25 first, and then 166. 4 multiply 25, it will be 100, then it is 166, then 16600. Now it's C part of second question. 8 ones will be 8, so we will not multiply these two numbers. Then 8 5s are 40, we will get 0 here because 4040. So multiply 8 to 125 first, then 291. It will be 1000 when 8 multiply 125. Then its answer will be 291000. Then in D part, 625, 279 and 16. 5 and 9, it will be 45, it is not 0, but 5 6 are 30, it will be 0. So we will take 625 and 16 together, then multiply 279. When 16 multiplies 625, then our answer will be 1000. Then multiply 279, and 279 000. its E part 285 into 5 into 60. So we can multiply the numbers 285 multiply 5 into 60 first. Then we get 300, or it will be 285 3s are we can find 85500. F part 125 into 40 into 8 or into 25. So we can multiply 125 to 40 and 8 to 25. Then we get it is 5000, or here it is 200. Now you can see 5 2s are 10 of 5 zeros, 3 these zeros and 2 these zeros. So 1 2 3 4 5. It will be 1 and 6 zeros, means 10 lakh. It is question number 3. Find the value of the following using suitable property. So 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. You can see 297 here also and 297 here also. It is common, so we will write 297 multiply outside. Here it is left 17, or here it is left 3. Or by which property? Then we will write here distributive property. It is by distributive property. So 297 and 17 plus 23 20. Then we will multiply. Our answer will be 5940. Next, here you can see 54279 and 54279 is common. So we will take it outside. 54279. Then it is 92 is left, or here 8 is left. So write 92 plus 8. Again same property, distributive property. Then 92 plus 8, it is 100. So 542790. C part you can see 81265, 81265. It is common. So take it outside. 81265. Here it is left 169 minus, क्योंकि यहाँ पे minus, then we will take here minus, or it is 69. So this property is distributive. Again, then we will subtract 169 to 69. Answer is 100. So our answer will be 81265, or these two zeros. Now D part. Here you can see numbers are not common. It is 3845, 5782, 769 multiply 25 218. Numbers are not common, so we will write it like this. First of all, multiply these two numbers, 3 8 4 5 and 5. 5 5s are 25. 2. Now when we multiply 3 8 4 5 to 5, we will get 19225. 19225 multiply 782. Or when we multiply these two numbers, we will again get 19225. It is 218. Then we will take common 19225. Now it is common here also or here also. We will take it out. 782 will be left here and 218 left here. Property is again distributive property. Then 19225 multiply 1000. 19225 000.